Imagine a world where snakes didn't slither, but instead, walked on four legs, moving through ancient forests just like other reptiles. Picture these early snakes, not as the sleek, legless creatures we know today, but as animals with sturdy limbs, exploring their environment in a way that seems almost impossible now. They would scurry over rocks, climb trees, and dart through undergrowth, much like modern lizards do. Their movements were agile and quick, allowing them to hunt, hide, and survive in a world filled with danger. This isn't just a fantasy or a story from mythology. Scientific discoveries, including remarkable fossils and genetic evidence, reveal that ancient snakes really did have limbs. Fossils like Tetrapodophis show us tiny legs preserved through millions of years. The journey from four-legged reptiles to the legless serpents we know today is a fascinating tale of adaptation and survival, a true testament to the power of evolution and natural selection. Millions of years ago, these snake ancestors were small, lizard-like creatures living alongside dinosaurs in lush, prehistoric landscapes. They shared their world with giant predators and had to be clever to survive. With long, flexible bodies, tails, and four functional legs, they could move swiftly, hunt for prey, and escape from danger. Their limbs were essential tools for climbing, digging, and navigating their complex world. Over countless generations, subtle genetic changes and environmental pressures began to shape their bodies. As their habitats changed, so did their needs, setting them on a new evolutionary path. Shedding their legs wasn't a loss but a remarkable innovation. By losing their limbs, snakes unlocked new ways to move, slithering through tight spaces, burrowing underground, and swimming with ease. This adaptation allowed them to survive and thrive in a variety of environments. The transformation from four-legged to legless was gradual, shaped by tiny genetic mutations and the ever-shifting habitats of ancient Earth. Each small change brought them closer to the snakes we recognize today. Today, scientists can trace this incredible story through fossil discoveries, genetic clues hidden in modern snakes, and cutting-edge experiments in the lab. Each new find adds another piece to the puzzle. Join us as we uncover how snakes lost their legs and became one of nature's most successful and fascinating survivors, adapting to nearly every corner of the planet. At the very core of how animals grow, their limbs is a gene with a surprisingly playful name, Sonic Hedgehog, or SH. Despite its whimsical title, this gene is one of the most crucial players in the story of life's diversity. It's named after the famous video game character, but its real-world impact is far more profound. The SHH gene acts as a master architect, sending out precise molecular signals that instruct cells where to grow, what to become, and how to organize themselves into complex structures like arms, legs, and fins. Without this gene's guidance, the blueprint for building limbs would be lost. What's truly remarkable is that the SH gene is found in nearly all vertebrates, from the delicate fins of fish, to the strong arms of humans and the agile limbs of lizards. This shared genetic toolkit connects us all, revealing a deep evolutionary ancestry that stretches back hundreds of millions of years. When the SAH signal is strong and properly timed, limbs form exactly where they should, with the right number of fingers or toes. The gene's activity creates a gradient, a kind of invisible map, that tells cells how to shape the growing limb. But when the SAH signal is weak, mistimed, or completely absent, the results are dramatic. Limbs may fail to develop or form in the wrong places, leading to profound changes in the animal's body plan. In most animals, this genetic system works with astonishing precision, ensuring that each species grows the right number of limbs in the right places at the right time. It's a testament to the power and reliability of our shared genetic heritage. But what happens if this delicate signaling system is disrupted even slightly? What if a single tweak in the DNA changes the way SAH works? In snakes, a fascinating evolutionary twist occurred. The SAH gene signal was silenced by subtle changes in their DNA, effectively turning off the instructions for limb growth. Without this crucial signal, limb development stalled early in the embryo, and over generations, legs began to shrink and eventually disappear altogether. This tiny genetic tweak set snakes on a completely new evolutionary path, transforming them from lizard-like ancestors into the legless, slithering creatures we know today. The secret to their unique, legless form lies in the story of this single powerful gene, a story written in the language of DNA and revealed by the careful work of scientists. Let's explore how a broken signal in the Sonic Hedgehog gene changed everything for snakes and what it reveals about the power of evolution. The remarkable journey to leglessness in snakes began not with a dramatic change in the genes themselves, but with subtle, almost invisible mutations. These changes didn't target the SHH gene, the gene responsible for limb development, but instead, they crept into the gene's regulatory switches, known as enhancers. These enhancers are stretches of DNA that act as control panels, determining when and where a gene is turned on or off. Much like flipping a light switch in a room, enhancers can activate or silence genes at just the right moment. If the switch is faulty, the light flickers or fails to turn on at all. In the case of snakes, these genetic switches began to malfunction. In ancient snakes, small mutations gradually broke the enhancer that was responsible for activating the SHH gene in the developing limb buds. Over generations, these mutations accumulated, weakening the signal that instructed the embryo to build a leg. With each passing generation, the genetic message to form limbs became fainter and more fragmented. The signal to grow legs was like a song played at lower and lower volume, until it was barely a whisper. As a result, the limbs of these early snakes shrank, became less functional, and eventually disappeared altogether. What started as a slight reduction in size ended with the complete loss of legs. Imagine a cherished family recipe, copied by hand through generations. Each time, a word or ingredient fades, until the final version barely resembles the original. In the same way, the genetic instructions for building legs faded with each generation. This process was incredibly slow and gradual. First, the hind limbs began to disappear, shrinking to tiny nubs. Then, over millions of years, the forelimbs followed, vanishing from the snake's body. Some ancient snakes may have lingered in a transitional state, possessing only 2 tiny front legs before losing them entirely. These fossils offer a rare glimpse into evolution in action. This genetic fading was a quiet revolution, unfolding silently over millions of years as the world around these creatures changed. The landscape shifted, and so did the snakes. The end result was a body perfectly streamlined for a new way of life, slithering smoothly through grass, sand, and soil, unburdened by limbs. The loss of legs wasn't a single dramatic event, but a gradual, stepwise transformation. Each small change built upon the last, shaping the snakes we know today. In evolution, the most profound changes often begin with something as simple as a broken switch, a tiny mutation that sets an entire lineage on a new path. Why would losing legs be an advantage? The answer lies underground. Early snakes adapted to burrowing where legs became a hindrance, snagging on roots and rocks. A smooth, limbless body could glide through tight tunnels with ease. In this new environment, smaller legs were actually beneficial. Natural selection favored snakes with reduced limbs, helping them survive and reproduce. Over generations, legs shrank away, replaced by powerful muscles for slithering. This adaptation also explains other snake features: no external ears, protective eye scales, and a flexible spine. The underground world shaped the snake's entire body plan. Leglessness was not a flaw, but a brilliant solution to a new challenge. The snake's success is a classic example of evolution in action. Their unique physique is a product of both genetics and environment. The darkness of the burrow forged the modern snake. Fossils provide the physical proof of snakes' evolutionary journey. One key fossil, Najash, from Argentina, shows a snake with a serpentine body and 2 functional hind legs. Najash confirms that hind limbs and forelimbs were lost at different times. Another fossil, Tetrapodophis, reveals a 4-legged snake-like creature, an early experiment in limb reduction. These fossils bridge the gap between lizards and modern snakes, showing transitional forms. The timeline points to the Cretaceous period, over 100 million years ago, as the era of this transformation. Ancient snakes began burrowing, setting off the cascade of changes that led to today's diversity. Each fossil is a snapshot of evolution in progress. The stones themselves whisper the story of this ancient transformation. The fossil record brings the genetic story to life. Evolution leaves traces of the past, even in modern snakes. Some, like pythons and boas, still have tiny pelvic spurs, remnants of hind legs. These spurs are connected to shrunken pelvic bones, echoes of their walking ancestors. While useless for walking, males use them during courtship, a final role for a lost limb. Vestigial structures are powerful evidence for evolution, showing the blueprint of a legged past. In snake embryos, limb buds briefly appear before fading away, halted by the broken SHH enhancer. The genetic instructions remain, but the signal to grow legs is silenced. These tiny spurs and embryonic buds are living fossils, connecting snakes to their ancient relatives. Every snake carries a museum of its own history within its body. The past is never fully erased, just rewritten. Today, genetics lets us test the story of snake evolution in the lab. By comparing snake and lizard DNA, scientists found the SEH gene intact, but its enhancer was broken in snakes. This broken switch was the missing link. Using CRISPR, researchers inserted the snake enhancer into mice. The mice grew stunted limbs. Swapping in a lizard enhancer reactivated limb growth in snake cells. These experiments confirmed that a few mutations in a regulatory region can reshape an entire body plan. The potential to grow legs still exists in snake DNA, it's just dormant. Modern science has solved the mystery of the snake's missing legs. This research deepens our understanding of how genes shape all animals, including us. Evolution secrets are now revealed at the molecular level. The snake's transformation is a perfect example of evolution's complexity. Random mutations in genetic switches weakened the signal for limb growth. Environmental pressures like burrowing made a limbless body an advantage. Natural selection favored these changes, and over millions of years, legs vanished. Fossils like Najash mark the timeline of this gradual shift. Modern science confirms the genetic mechanism, a silenced enhancer for the SHH gene. Genetics, environment, fossils, and experiments all tell the same story. Snakes didn't just lose their legs, they gained a new way of life. Evolution is a tapestry woven from many threads. The story of the snake is one of adaptation, innovation, and survival. The tale of the snake's lost legs is more than a curiosity. It's a lesson in life's constant change. Evolution is ongoing, shaping every creature in response to its environment. Losing legs wasn't a step backward for snakes, it was a leap into new possibilities. Leglessness allowed snakes to master new habitats, from burrows to treetops. Nature doesn't waste energy on unused features, it repurposes and refines. Vestigial spurs and dormant genes are reminders of the past, not defects. Every snake is a marvel of evolutionary design, not a creature missing something. Their story is written in bone, DNA, and survival. The world is full of such stories, each deepening our wonder for life's diversity. Evolution's creativity is endless, and every creature is proof.